Noble Chemicals water-soluble quick packs are concentrated pre-portioned packets that eliminate the need for costly chemical dispensers, reduce waste, and are NSF and EPA Safer Choice certified. The packet's water-soluble casing is made from 100% biodegradable material, making these packets an eco-friendly solution. These packets are packed in a plastic 90-count tub that protects the packets from moisture and humidity for convenient storage. Noble Chemical provides several cleaning solution options. QuikPacks bowl cleaning packs are perfect for cleaning toilet bowls. The non-acidic cleaner removes stubborn stains built up from soils, limescale, and urinary salts. To use this cleaner, begin by flushing the toilet. Add 1 packet and wait for foam to appear. When the foam covers the surface of the bowl, scrub the inside and under the rim of the toilet bowl. Let this sit for as long as possible before flushing. It's perfect for daily toilet cleaning. Use the QuikPacks all-purpose cleaner and deodorizer for walls, floors, countertops, and a variety of other surfaces. Mix 1 packet with 3 gallons of water. You can also mix 1 packet with 4 gallons of water for light messes, or 1 packet with 2 gallons of water for heavy messes. After using, be sure to rinse any remaining cleaner from surfaces. Use the QuikPacks neutral floor cleaner to remove dirt and grime from heavy traffic areas. This protects floors for a long-lasting finish. Mix 1 packet with 3 gallons of water for use with a mop or auto scrubber and apply the solution on terrazzo, marble, slate, vinyl, asphalt, ceramic, and quarry tile. The fresh pine scent provides an inviting aroma. Use the QuikPacks floor conditioner and neutralizer packets to remove and neutralize residues left behind by ice melt and harsh alkaline cleaners. These packets also condition floors for better sealing after stripping and can be used to counteract urine odors in restrooms. Mix 1 packet with 3 gallons of water and apply this solution to clean floors with a mop, sponge, or cloth. On floors that are not finished, remove the remaining solution with a mop or wet vac and allow the floor to dry before resealing or finishing. Keep every room in your establishment clean and smelling fresh with Noble Chemicals QuikPacks.